Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What if you were asked a simple question? Who are the best people in the sight of Allah? Would the answer be the richest, the strongest, the most famous, or the most knowledgeable? Islam gives us a beautiful answer that completely changes our perspective on success. The more reliably sourced narration is, the most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to people. It is reported by At-Tabarani and graded Hassan by Sheikh Al-Albani. This powerful teaching summarizes the character of a true believer. Before we begin, please subscribe to the Wisdom channel, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Allah created human beings to worship Him. Allah says, "And I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me." But worship in Islam is much broader than prayer and fasting alone. Helping people, showing mercy, and giving charity are all acts of worship. Sometimes the greatest worship is not noticed by people, but it is seen by Allah. The Prophet said, "A Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hand the Muslims are safe. We must not harm others." The Prophet Muhammad was the greatest benefit Allah gave to humanity. Allah says, "And we have not sent you except as a mercy to the worlds." He visited the sick, fed the poor, and comforted the grieving. He never sought revenge for personal matters. When the people of Tarif rejected him, he refused to destroy them, praying instead, "O Allah, guide my people, for they do not know." Many think they cannot help because they aren't wealthy. But the Prophet said, "Every good deed is charity, and your smile is charity." Helping with groceries, giving advice, or calling your parents, all of these are beloved to Allah. Nothing is ever lost. Material help is valuable, but guiding someone toward Allah is even greater. If Allah guides one person through you, it is better than red camels. Sharing Islamic reminders online or supporting education are great forms of ongoing benefit. You earn rewards while you sleep. The Prophet said, "Whoever relieves a believer of one hardship of this world, Allah will relieve him of a hardship on Resurrection Day." Think about how many people carry hidden struggles. Some need food, some need encouragement, and some simply need someone to listen. Allah often places us in situations where we can become the answer to another person's dua. Never underestimate that opportunity. A believer fulfills the rights of Allah while also striving to benefit people through knowledge, justice, mercy, and good character. If this reminder benefited you, subscribe to the Wisdom channel. Help us spread authentic knowledge by liking and sharing. The measure of success in Islam is not how many serve us. It is how many people we sincerely serve for the sake of Allah. Ask yourself every morning, whom can I help today? A kind word or a sincere dua may become mountains of reward. May Allah make us among those who are beloved to Him because we bring benefit to His creation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.